Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will create this model. This is the isometric view of this model and there are the five views. One is the front view, top view, left, right and bottom view. This is the third angle projection drawing. Okay, first I will create, in this exercise you will learn rib command, hole wizard, and the extrude cut, extrude was base, fillet command. This you will learn in this exercise. Let's start. First I will start from this bottom plate. I will make this first bottom plate. Size is 150 length and 60 mm is the width. Thickness is here, that is a 12 mm thickness, and fillet is a 8 mm. Okay, file, new, part, and this. I'm selecting background plain white. Unit system is the millimeter gram second. Bottom you can select any other system as per your requirement. Top plane is sketch. First I am making a center rectangle here, this one. This is a 150 mm. 150 mm. Okay, and this is the 60 mm only as per drawing. And future extrude boss base height is 12 mm as per drawing. Okay, from here you can reverse the direction, but I am taking up as per drawing. Okay, this one. Now fillet, if you select any edge, corner edge, you will select small window, this pops up. So if I select this one, all the three balance edges are selected automatically. Okay, and this radius I am taking at 8 mm as per drawing. Okay, constant radius place, 4 edges are selected automatically. Full preview, you can see preview here. You can check this full preview, then you can visualize this all the fillets, this one and this. Now if you see this plate I have made, holes are balanced. Now I am making this back wall, this one. This back wall is 8 mm thickness. This back wall is the 8 mm thickness. From here you can see here. And this round portion, circular portion, I will make a outer dia, that is of 80 mm. 80 mm total length is, this dia is 68 mm. You see from here, total is the 68 mm length. This outer circle is 80 mm dia. Total length is 68 mm. 8 mm is right side and 60 mm is the other side extrusion. And this wall is 8 mm. And this is the 8 mm wall. Okay. And center height from here to here, you will see that the height is 125 mm center height. Okay. Now window, part, this one, I am selecting this portion, isometric back portion, this one, this one and normal. Now I am draw first a center line. Center line is very useful for the convenience of the sketch. Actually it guides, it acts as a guide here. This one, and this is the vertical, and this dimension I am taking 125 mm. Okay, this I am taking 125 mm. 125 mm. Okay. Now I am drawing a circle of 80 mm dia. This one, circle 80 mm dia. This one, 80 mm. This one. Now I draw a line here. This one, and this distance from here to here is, that is 50 mm only. This is 50 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now in the sketch mirror, select this line. Make sure copy should be checked. Mirror about this line. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now as per drawing, if I you in the sketch you can extrude, or you can close the sketch, then you can go in the extrude boss base, this one, because there are the more than one close boundary. So you go in the selected contours bottom, this one and this put, select this circle. This circle you will see extrusion is taken on the right side. I am taking this as per drawing, this is the 8 mm in right hand side. Now in this direction 2, that is 60 mm. Direction 2, that is 60 mm extrusion. This one. Okay, and this is the taking place. Now same sketch. Select the same sketch, extrude boss base, this one, and select this because this is a close boundary. This one, select in selected contour, and this is the 8 mm. But direction is, you will see this extrusion is taking place right side. You reverse from here, this one, and this side. Now fillet, constant radius fillet, that is 16 mm fillet. 16 mm fillet, this one, this and this, hidden edge, this one. This is, you will see this is the fillet edge. Okay, this is the, I have made bottom portion, right side wall, and this one. Now I will create, you will see in window, if you see the drawing, there is a rib. There is a rib right side, and this rib width is the 8 mm. You will see this rib width of 8 mm. If you will see front portion, this rib portion, this width is 8 mm. This is the front rib, and this is the 8 mm rib. Okay, this rib is also back side, this is also a 8 mm. How I will draw this rib? And one more thing, this extrusion, this one. This extrusion is and from center, this top portion, this is at a distance of 60 mm, and from this outside to 8 mm here. Okay, now part this portion. Now right plane, this is sketch. Right plane, sketch normal, this one. This height from here to this is 30 mm, and this one. Future rib multi. If you see, this is one direction, this is another direction, and this is the direction both sides. You will see this is the one direction only, this is another direction, this is the both direction, but this one. And if you hit the right button, you will see there is one problem. Tilting rib did not intersect the existing border. Please try changing the extrusion direction to this one. How I can overcome this? Right, normal, use slightly extend this here from. How? Sketch line, and you give suitable dimension here, this one. Only small dimension, 1 mm I am giving. Okay, you slightly extend, otherwise rib will not be created. Okay, now future rib, this dimension 8 mm, this is 8 mm, 8 mm, and hit right button. Now this will take place. Okay, this is. Edges are not sharp. You can increase the sharpness of the object, option, This one, document property, image quality. Here, image quality. You increase both this. HR relation, this one, wireframe also increase. Shaded draft and this one, and hit the and refresh the thing. Now edges are sharp here. Okay, you will see this edges are sharp here. Now I will make this top portion. This top portion, radius of the circle, this is 2346 dia, and the from center to height is of this center one is the 60 mm. This circle is of the 20 mm. Circle dia, inside dia. I will make this through whole wizard command. Okay, and from here that is the 8 mm from the right hand side. This dimension you will see. Okay, window, part, again right plane, sketch, normal. You take corner rectangle, you will take corner rectangle, this, and draw a center line here. Center line, this line, construction. Okay, and take the 3-point arc here. This, and this center point should lie on this line. Okay, this one. This radius I am taking 23 mm. Dia will be 46 mm. Okay, and from here to here, this distance is 8 mm I am taking. Okay, and from here to this point, this I am taking 60 mm. Okay, now you take this dimension, only 15 mm you can take. Sketch is fully defined. Okay, sketch is fully defined here. Now this extrusion, as per drawing, you will see this dimension, this extrusion is taking place. You will see this is 74 mm extrusion, this one, top portion. This is the 74 mm extrusion is this one. Okay, future, in the sketch mode you can go in directly in the extrude boss space, and this mid plane, select the mid plane, and this is the 74 mm, total 74 mm, both direction equally. Merge rel, this one. Okay, now I will make a hole of 20 mm dia at this at the center of this radius, this circle, semicircle, through hole wizard. This simple hole. There are various types of the hole: counter bore hole, counter shrink hole, this one threaded hole. I am making simple hole. ISO standard, there are different types of the standard. Dowels, drill sizes. Size you can take 20 mm as per drawing. 20 mm. This die 20 mm. Okay. You can still change the size. If you click this one, show custom, you can still change the sizes, but I am not changing anything. Okay, blind. No, I am taking through all. Okay, through all. This one, and uncheck this one. Position, select this face, normal, and you bring your cursor on the circle. You will get the center point. Click here and hit right button. This circle is made here. Okay, this one. Now you will see there is you will see here this one. There is a this is cut. This is a type of a slot, throughout slot of 4 mm here. This one top you will see 4 mm slot here. Okay, and one thing is this is the 70 mm dia cut, extrude cut through all. This is the through all. If you see, there is a through all extrude cut here. How I will draw it? This one part. Select this face. Select this face. Sketch. Normal. First draw of 70 mm dia. You bring your cursor on the circle, you will get the center point. This one, and this dia is 70 mm. This one 70 mm. Okay. Now give one more line here. This one from here to this center point. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now you in the sketch directly go in the future extrude cut. Now select only inside circle. This one, and this is the, you go through all. This one through all extrude cut. This one. Okay. Now in this way you select the selected contour, because there are more than one cross boundary. This is one boundary, this is the same single line. I will make extrude cut through this line with the help of thin future. Okay, this one. Now same sketch, select same sketch, same sketch, extrude cut, selected contour, select this line, thin future. This you will see that this is the 4 mm, but in the mid plane, both side equal, 4 mm cut, and this one through all. Okay, this one. This is made. Let's see this way. Okay, one thing I have left. You will see there are the 2 holes here. You will see here there are the 2 holes here. This is the at a distance of 20 from the this and right hand side and the center. There are the 2 holes. That is counter holes. Counter die is 40 mm, 3 mm depth, 10 mm is the main hole dia, 12 mm. Okay, how I will make it? This one, hole wizard. I will make through hole wizard. I am selecting this. There are various types of the hole type. I am selecting this legacy hole. You will see this is the legacy hole. Legacy hole, in the type you select the counter bore. Counter bore main dia. Main dia is the 10 mm. 10 mm. Okay, that is the up to next. Up to next, if you want to change this depth, hole depth, you can't change it. You will see here. Item is not ready because it's valid, this one. If this is a blind, if you select the blind option, then you can change this depth. Okay, but I am taking next. In the case of the next or through all, you can't change this parameter depth. Okay, you please note this thing. And I am taking up to next, and next means end of the surface. This counter bore dia is a 40 mm. This is 40 mm, and depth is the counter depth is 3 mm. Okay, up to next. These are the 4 main hole dia, 10 mm. Depth you can't, if you select end condition blind option, you can't change this one. You will see this warning comes here. If you select any other option, up to next means in up to blind, if you select the blind option, then you can change it. But up to next option, you can't change this parameter from here by double clicking. Okay, counter bore mm 50 mm, and this is 3 mm counter bore. Select position, select this one, normal, this surface. Now you make this hole here and one hole here, this one. Okay, now I have to locate the position. How I will? First, out of the this hole wizard. How? Right click, select, or press escape key. Now you select this point, this origin, and this one. That is the horizontal relation. Okay, now make the dimension from this one, from here to here. This is 20 mm. And same way here, 20 here. This is 20 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now hit right button and hit again right button. This is the counter hole I am creating. Okay, in this way. Now one thing more left, that is this side rib. If you will see, there is this side rib that is also 8 mm. This one, center one rib. If you will see, this is the 8 mm rib. This is also 8 mm rib, which I have made this one. Okay, at a 8 mm width, thick. Now, how I make this rib? This right, this one 8 mm, this one front side. Okay, window. You go here part and right plane. This one is sketch. Normal front tail, this select line and this one. Sometimes difficult. Yes, this point and this one. Now this sketch is fully defined. Now future rib this pole. There are the three options. One is this one, if you will see, and this is the second side, and this is the both side equally, and width is 8 mm. Okay, and direction, this is coming left side. You flip the direction from here and hit the right button. This one. This I have created all the things. One side this rib, second is another rib, and extrusion hole wizard. In this exercise, we have learned the fillet command, hole wizard, extrude cut, and the fillets and rib command, extrude cut. Various things we have learned in this exercise. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.